Alrighty, I'm going to work right now. I'm in Tractor Supply. I'm driving what's been my mom's car for a little bit, but I had a snag last night when I was selling some parts. And yeah, well, this is my car. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. I smelled some coolant, and then a while later the light came on for low coolant, and then the temperature started rocketing up, and it just split. Big old split. Coolant mess. Unscrewing that hose. So this hose, if I didn't say, this hose goes down to the heater core way back in there. Hard to see. So I got the hose off. That's pretty beat up, but luckily there were new parts in the car and the new hose was in the car. This one's all swelled up, and that's pretty screwed up right there. That's a nice split. But yeah, time to install it. It was just 2 hose clamps and way in the back. Now I just have to put the 1 hose clamp. You can see the... So there we go. All 5 of my cars here. Alright, here's my car. My keychain's getting a little too big because I had to drive, quote, my mom's car. So I have my Turbo X key, my mom's car, my 9.5, my 900, and my other 9.5 key is in the car because it doesn't run. But so my car, my car, my car. Woo. And then if we take a little walk, my car. And if we really wanted to take a walk, right there is my 9.5 wagon that I pulled the motor out of. So all my cars are here. Yeah, this one got pretty banged up. It must have like went under something because fuse box, everything, it just got mutilated. Windshield cracked. Is it bent this? Just like, whew.